In this video, I'm going to show you how you can associate certain files with certain programs in Windows 11. The first thing you want to do is to go to the Start menu, and then you want to go to Settings. If you can't find your Settings button here, you just search for it in the search menu. And inside Settings, you want to go to Apps. And under Apps, you want to go to Default Apps. And inside this menu here, you can associate different files with programs. Let's say you want to associate, let's say you want to play MP3 files always on the Windows Media Player. So just inside this search bar here, set default for file type or link type, you can just search for MP3. And as you can see here now, I have Windows Media Player as my default MP3 player. Let's say I want to change this to something else. I just click this, and then I scroll down and find the media player I want to use. It's the same if you want to use certain programs for, let's say, pictures. You can just search for JPG here, or PNG, and you can choose the app you want to run the PNG files on. Let's say you want to set defaults for applications. You can do that here. Let's search for Windows Media Player or Media Player, and under here you can choose what files you want the media player to be default for. Let's say you want to take this file here, M4A, and cut it out from the media player. You can just click it, and then you choose another media player as the default. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.